Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. How to earn money, how to make money, how to gain money on Facebook. Total Facebook management. This is the nice work, easy work, how to earn money, the online platform, social media marketplace, Fiverr marketplace, Upwork marketplace, another marketplace, LinkedIn, etc. etc. Your experience and your work portfolio can share social media and Fiverr, Upwork, especially marketplace. You can study, you can skill hand Facebook, total Facebook management. The whole world, the lot of people, the Facebook management work. Facebook work. Facebook management, lot of demand the worldwide. The whole world, Europe, America, Asia, Africa, all worldwide, the user, the billion user, the Facebook. You can skill hand on Facebook. The Facebook lot of service, the marketplace, Fiverr and Upwork. Fiverr, just search Facebook. Fiverr lot of suggest Facebook ads, Facebook ad campaign, Facebook page create, Facebook business page create, Facebook page monetization, Facebook page create and setup, Facebook video ads, Facebook page. Very easy and system Facebook page create. Example, the Facebook account opening, how to Facebook page create, your Facebook name, your logo, banner, very easy and simple system. The Canva design, you can Facebook page and logo and Facebook cover design create. And others, Adobe and Photoshop, they creating Facebook page and Facebook logo. Second, Facebook ad campaign. The very important and popular work, the Facebook ad campaign. The lot of people, the online business, your brand value, your targeted audience, and your customer, select and choice the selected areas, selected country, selected areas, selected district, selected community and targeted audience, the sales increase and brand value, etc. etc. The second position, first Facebook ad campaigns, the second Facebook page create. Very important, your business highly reach, brand awareness and targeted customer, targeted audience, targeted community, your page create and Facebook page marketing, social media marketing, the sharing, post, schedule post management and schedule post management and create post, content creator, video, Facebook Reels video create, Facebook video create, etc. etc. The Facebook page create and setup, the important demand the marketplace and social media marketing. Facebook page create and setup. Lot of worker, lot of seller sells this service and online platform. The lot of make money, earn money in marketplace. Your skill share in LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook page post. And targeted audience, targeted community, targeted county, targeted city, etc. etc. Your targeted audience in your business boost up. So friends, you only Facebook management. Facebook management skill hand. I know the worldwide, the billion user, the mobile smartphone uses the Facebook, computer, laptop. The whole world, 6 to 10 billion people the smartphone uses. Then 5 to 10 billion people using in Facebook and Instagram. Facebook management, the lot of work, the marketplace as like Fiverr, Upwork. I can see the one seller, the top rated seller. Uh, He's the offer basic $10, standard $100, and premier $700. Here completely 4,621 order is running. His offer, I will manage your Facebook ads intentionally. Facebook ad expert experience thought my marketing agency the 1,000 invitation business in year boost of. This is the offer and your sellers, CPA, e-commerce, etc., etc. The next seller, I will set up and manage your Facebook and Instagram ad campaign. I see set up ad campaign, goals, targeted audience, competitor research, insight Facebook pixel, set up Facebook event, remarking and targeted, create looking audience. Just I see his offer. Was from digital marketer and considered the more experience in digital marketing industry, and I have Facebook and Instagram ad during time. I have managed ad campaign from multi client. Nice offer. The setup the million customer, million user. Help you reach to targeted audience from your business who can most likely to take an action, boost your content, courses. This offer. The landing page analytic, testing, setup, campaign goal per your business object, create details, buyer, targeted audience, reach, competitor, install pixel, create looking audience, create customer audience, remarketing, etc., etc. The Facebook, another seller, his offer, I will develop your business Facebook page. She offer, we experience the content control, content creation and Facebook advertising. I can help development, epic social media strategy, the drive, the traffic and website and great leads and business. Okay, nice. Get your Facebook page today's use, gain customer and until the marketing campaign. If you looking and detective and experience the social media professional, help you build your Facebook page, look on the fitness, etc., etc. His offer, the basic $60, standard $90 and $190. He's completed 1,000 orders. The last of I will your Facebook page management and content creator. This sellers is offer the Facebook page management by manager and content creator. Your offer is standard $120, premier $200, basic $50. I see this offer. Do you need expert in Facebook manager? If your business pays to make the success your business and visit your targeted audience, stop search and the best pledge your heart. Oh, fine. He's the your offer in the gig attractive customer and Fiverr marketplace. The next topics I see. This is the first and largest social media platform. The calm to your mind is Facebook. I will manage not only Facebook business page but also online process. I also create eye-catching professional post and brand logo, website link, etc. etc. Boost your brand value, brand awareness. Service, Facebook page creation, full-time Facebook management, business page of optimization, daily posting, the professional creation, create and your brand logo, website and post schedule, high reach tag, analytic every week, increase your brand and service awareness, engagement with your followers. Others, he's the others marketplace work than Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn. But social media expert is a very brilliant worker. I can request them the everybody, every node, just your Facebook, analyte Facebook research, Facebook skill hand, the how to make money, lot of earn money, the online platform. I can choose by request them the only freelancer, the everyone know work and marketplace, Fiverr and Upwork. A lot of Facebook page creation, Facebook's ad campaigns, Facebook management, Facebook ad setup, Facebook ad run, Facebook reels, Facebook videos, editing, etc. etc. A lot of work in Facebook page. My C and computer the I will create the Facebook business page, the digital master. He's the complete the 200 order, 22 orders is running, basic $20, standard $40 and premier $80. Level 2 seller on Facebook page. Seller and sellers. I see this sellers offer in Fiverr Market. So are you looking a professional? You can create Facebook business page setup and the creation conversion. Do you want reach the extend Facebook business page setup intro professional attractive look? Okay, our expert team create Facebook business page hang or business access. The global help team generate high conversion using the social media strategy, content marketing skill. Completely on quality, the 600 plus successful project over 16 kids, the 500 happy client, etc. etc. The client is offer and this your market. So friends, you only one skill hand how to gain the make money, earn money, the online platform, just Facebook and Instagram. Facebook and Instagram, same things, same ad campaign. I am again to repeat total Facebook summaries. Hello friends, you can one skill gather him the lot of money, how to make money and earn the online platform. Your first Facebook page account creation, Facebook page creation, Facebook page setup and integration, Facebook Reels video creation, Facebook Reels video marketing, Facebook post, Facebook schedule post, Facebook content creator, and Facebook business page create and Facebook ad campaign. The lot of work the Facebook, but you skill hand the Facebook. Try to lot of system your Facebook marketing, just as like social media marketing, Facebook marketing, and lot of videos, lot of people on the online platform. You can practice them. I can repeat again the Facebook total summaries. First time your Facebook user, Facebook account create, Facebook ad campaign, Facebook ads, Facebook page create, Facebook business page create, and Facebook page monetization, Facebook creation setup, Facebook video ads, and Facebook page. Thank you. Best of luck.